All right, so let's go ahead and put into drive. It's very straightforward and down, and let's set off to drive this beast. Now, like I mentioned, this model does feature a dual electric motor, which is the all-wheel drive, or what BMW likes to call X drive. This one produces 650 horsepower and 811 pound-feet of torque, which is up from the old M70 variant that it replaces, which is a huge benefit. Battery capacity is around 112.8 kilowatt hour battery, and then it takes about 10 to 80% in 35 minutes, which is actually pretty good to hear. Overall range for this model, whenever it comes to the highest amount, you have to go for the smaller wheel size in order to go ahead and actually get that. That will give you 303 miles of range. With the larger 22-inch wheels that this model comes with, you're looking around 285 miles of overall range. But setting off, very nice overall comfortability in this model. I really like how this car feels with the suspension. It does have a dynamic suspension as well as a air suspension for this model, which is a huge plus when it comes to a luxury electric SUV like this model. And it even feels really good. We have rear steering, so it will go ahead and actually help out whenever you are driving this model, but it's very, very, very beneficial to the driver, and we will see that right here once we set off. So putting it off to sport mode, let's go ahead and go around this guy. Holy crap, the way that thing just launches is insane. Whoa. The way it pushed me back into the seat as I went around that tow truck right there is just ridiculous. Like, even going, let's see how it feels going over this bump. Really good. Oh. You see, I've driven a ton of electric vehicles. I've driven a Rivian R1S, or actually R1, yeah, R1S with the quad motor, and this just feels really holy crap. That is one thing I love about electric vehicle, is that you just have a ton of overall torque that just punches you right in the gut, and it feels good because it's all those G's just hitting you. I mean, it's just one thing that I love, because I am a huge fan of, you know, like race cars and everything like that. That I love the amount of G's that you feel instantly whenever you go ahead and press that accelerator. It is spontaneous. And we do have the one pedal driving, so once you take your foot off the accelerator, it will begin to brake. So let's see how it feels going around this corner right here. Oh my God, it just brings me in such happiness and joy that, you know, as a person who has loved cars, I'm a huge automotive fan. Having something like that where it just drags you back into your seat, even as the driver, is something else. It is the best feeling when it comes to, you know, driving a vehicle, and this just feels phenomenal. Hats off to the BMW team for continuously improving upon their electric models. And you know, I've driven the i4 M50, I think it was the M40 if I'm not mistaken. That was a fun, actually no, M50, because they just changed it to M60. That was a great car to drive. That was a dual electric motor making around almost 500 horsepower. It felt extremely great. 650 horsepower for an electric model. I can only imagine what it's going to be like when BMW releases a full-fledged M electric vehicle in the coming years. I mean, we already know that there is an M3 that is coming with a quad electric motor in the near future, and I cannot wait to get my hands on something like that. I mean, this is, if this is what we can experience come forward with BMW's performance lineup, I can only imagine. It is going to be spontaneous. It's something that many enthusiasts that like electric cars have been waiting for BMW to create a full-fledged M vehicle so they can have a different choice. You know, there still will be a gas version of, an M3, but you can get an M3 that's going to be electric, making almost 1,200 horsepower from the factory, which is just crazy and unheard of. But man, this is a great vehicle to drive. I really love this turning in radius. It feels sharp, precise. This is phenomenal. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching. Make sure to go ahead, like, comment, and subscribe. And once again, if you guys are interested in purchasing any BMW or even Mini, make sure to contact BMW South Miami. They'll be able to assist you. See you all later. Peace.